Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel Login Joins. Today in this video, you will learn how to use ChatGPT without a phone number.
Open up your web browser and here type in OpenAI.ChatGPT. Tap onto the first link. Now here tap on Sign Up, enter your email address and tap Continue. Enter your password and tap Continue again. It brings us to this page. Enter your first name, tap Continue. Now it all comes down to here. Open another tab and here search for a temporary phone number. Tap the first link, select your country and tap on Generate Phone Number. Once you do so, copy this phone number and paste it here, and do not forget to change your country logo and tap on Send Code. If this does not work for you, here are also a paid up website. Open a new tab and type paid phone number. After doing so, you will find the paid phone number, but you have to pay a certain price to receive that number. So this is the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching and subscribe our channel for more.